Edit items. In this video, I'll show you how to add days, month to date fields. So let's start. Let's drag in a date field. And let's say this will be the user selected date. And let's say you want to have another date that you will set custom date to. So let's say the user selects a certain date and you want to add some days or month, whatever you want to add to it. Okay, so let's just say we'll call this custom date. And what we will do is we'll head over to our date, to the user selected date, and we'll set a condition. We'll say if this is not empty, click to configure results, and we're going to execute JavaScript. So let's just take a look at the form Titan JavaScript options. So what we want to do is get the user selected date from in the JavaScript. So let's say let user selected date equals to FLD, I think it's 29. This is the user selected date. So now we have the user selected date. Let's just console log this so we will see it in action. You don't need to do it, obviously. I'm just, in order to show you how this works, we will do this. Next thing I will do, I will set my date. So let's just say my custom, and we will say new date, which is a JavaScript date. Then the only thing we need to do is my custom date, set date, and we will take the user selected date, get date. We're getting the user selected, and then you can do +5, +10, +20, whatever it is you want. So let's say +10, and let's console log this. So that will be my custom date. Great. The only thing we have left to do is set the value for my element, my other date element. The only thing we need to do is window ft set value by ID, and I think my custom date is FLD30 and my value is my custom date. Let's hit apply and let's see how this works. Okay, let's publish this guy. All right, let's select the date. So let's say today is the 12th, and I get 10 days automatically, which is 22. If I'll take a look at the console, and I see my user selected date, begin with was May 12th, and then my custom date became to May 22, and then once we set it, my custom date was set automatically. And obviously you can hide this. And then if you push to Salesforce, you can do, let's say, hide per device, and then you can use it for your pushes, for your gets, whatever it is you need to do. Similar to this, you can do the same thing for years, for month, whatever it is you need. So I'll head back to the element and go back to my JavaScript. And what I will do is, instead of get date and set date, I will do, let's do set month. And here I'll do get month, and I'll add 5 months to it. Hit apply, save, run this thing. So let's select 12, and we can see we're 5, we're 10, 12, 20, 20. So we've added the month to it as well. Let's take a look. The console, again, here it is. This is how it's done.